Buddy, ano nga bang meron dito sa Minami? Bakit ang daming may gusto nito? Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pau Pepito, your home search buddy. Unang reason ay ang location. Dahil located siya along Arnaldo Highway, General Trias, Cavite, malapit sa Cavite-Laguna Expressway, connecting sa Vermosa, Villar City, MCX at Alabang. Second is accessibility dahil nga maganda ang ating location, few minutes drive going to school, hospital, worship area, market, mall, gaya ng Vista Mall at sa itatayong SM General Trias na pinakamalaki sa Calabarzon. At magkakaroon nga din dito ng mga universities. Pangatlo, ito ay gated, secured, Japanese-inspired, nature-friendly community. Kaya naman ma-enjoy ng family mo ang outdoor activities dahil napakarami nating open spaces with complete amenities gaya ng parks and playground, basketball court, clubhouse with pool at marami pang iba. Fourth reason ay napaka-flexible ng down payment term for as low as 9,000 monthly. Next reason naman ay may option tayo for bank and in-house financing if you want na less hassle pagdating sa requirements. At nasa introductory price kaya naman very affordable. Kaya naman kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, please like, share, follow, or subscribe at paki-comment na rin ang iyong location para malaman ko kung saan nakaabot ang video na to. At kung interesado ka nang mag-invest sa property na to, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!